Hey all, this is Jen Kalpana and today I am take a beautiful topic how to make your day great. So I am here to discuss some points that help you to make your day great and productive. So let's start this little helpful video. First thing is wake up early in the morning. Then do little exercise and meditation which help you to calm your mind and body. After exercise, read some motivational book or listen your favorite song. Try to be positive in your morning. Give much important to your morning time because that is the time when our day is start. If your morning is good, then it is more chances that your whole day going so well. So be careful about your morning. In the end of video, I want to share something. If your day is going bad or very bad, then don't worry because bad days teach us so many things. Those things we never learn from our good days. So sometimes say thanks to your bad time.